Glamour and Sugaries, it's me, Cherry. Welcome to another episode. Today we're making something cold, icy, and hot at the same time. Fried ice cream. If you want to make desserts and treats that are glamorous, fun, and crazy looking, dripping with chocolate, you're on the right channel. Stay with me. What is the origin of fried ice cream? Well, there's a lot of theories. The first one says that in 1893, fried ice cream was invented at the Chicago World's Fair. The second was in 1894 in Philadelphia when they covered the ice cream in pie crust and fried that baby up. The third and final theory was that it was invented in a Japanese restaurant, covered in a cake covering and fried up like tempura. That sounds yummy. But the way I first had it, and I loved it, was at a Mexican restaurant, and it was just deep fried, crunchy on the outside, and oozy ice cream on the inside. It was delicious. So how are we gonna make ours today? Well, we're using cereal, cornflakes, and cocoa pebbles for that chocolatey flavor. I can't wait. Traditionally, they're made with vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna use vanilla bean because that's one of my favorite flavors, but you can use anything you want. I can tell you I was really tempted to use mint chip. That's one of my favorites. There are many ways to do this recipe. I found this one to be the easiest. Get your plastic wrap out. Dude, I love this plastic wrap, let me tell you. This plastic wrap and I are good friends. I'm teaching it to behave. Open your ice cream container, and hopefully it's not melted with all this talking that you're doing. And scoop your ice cream. Okay, I will have to say that I am not the best ice cream scooper, so I think I have to practice a lot more. I'm gonna put like 1.5 to 2 scoops here. In order to get this into a nice ball, all you have to do is pull up the sides and form it, because it's melting already, let me tell you, and you want it to be more of a round shape. Give it a quick twist, and then we're gonna pop these in the freezer for about 4 hours minimum. I prefer to have it overnight though. I find that they are nice and solid and easily workable at that point. I'm sorry, I had to take a lick. It's so good. It's time to create the crust. We're gonna start with the cornflakes here. Scoop 4 cups into a zip top bag, seal it off, and then take your rolling pin and start crushing it up. Ideally, you want 60% crumbs and 40% small to medium chunky pieces. Next, scramble up 2 cold eggs. Now crush up 4 cups of those cocoa pebbles in a bag. Make sure there's small crumbs and medium pieces there, and place them in a deep bowl. Yay, we get to handle the ice cream. Put on your gloves and unwrap those cold ice cream balls. Dip the ice cream in the egg to fully coat. Do a first coat in the cornflake crumbs, making sure to get on as much as you can. Now roll it in the egg a second time, and then place it back into the cornflakes bowl to pack on as much as possible without ruining the ice cream. Now get a new sheet of plastic wrap ready, place the coated ice cream ball on it, and pack on some more crumbs. Carefully though. Wrap it up tightly, twist the top, and put it back in the freezer until frozen solid. Repeat the same double coating process for the Cocoa Pebbles ice cream balls, and be sure to use 2 new eggs. Don't forget to add more crumbs just before you wrap it up and throw it into the freezer. About 20 minutes before you're ready to fry, fill your fryer with your oil to about 1.5 to 2 inches deep. and set it between 350 and 375. Time to get your toppings ready because this process is going to be fast once we start frying. We have sprinkles here, maraschino cherries, powdered sugar, you know it's my favorite, as well as strawberries. Now try not to look at my sad little strawberry rose that I made here. Also melt your chocolate because we got to get ready to drizzle. Another tip is make sure this is frozen solid. We don't want it melting in the fryer. I'm so excited right now. I cannot wait. So let's carefully take off the lid and we are going to be dropping that in with the help of my little spider here, an Asian cooking tool. Now I wrapped extra cornflakes around it, so we're going to carefully remove it from there. All right. Now you have to keep moving it around. We're just looking for a golden brown crust there. And we're really only leaving it for seconds, just seconds. All right, I think that's it. Move it to the plate and just let it cool down. And the ice cream will take care of cooling it down while we fry the others. Time to do the cocoa pebbles. And carefully. We'll let that cool. Oh my gosh, that looks cool. Let's see if this one's, oh yeah. Oh, we better get to topping those. And are we ready to decorate? Yes, we are. Whipped cream is always first. Here we go, baby. Ready? Okay, let's hit it with that chocolate. Oh boy. Wow. I suppose we could put a few more cornflakes on the top there too if we wanted. And top it with a cherry. Oh, is it falling? Beautiful. Okay, last part right here, folks. The powdered sugar. Oh, beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to eat it. All right, we're gonna dig into this baby. Oh my gosh, wow. Look at the ice cream, it stayed cold inside. We're gonna scoop this delicious fried ice cream up. The crunchiness of the cornflakes adds the most awesome texture. Then you have the smoothness of the chocolate and the creaminess of the whipped cream. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a dessert to try. You must do this. It's way too easy not to do it. Let's decorate that Cocoa Pebbles one. Ooh, a little cornflake got on there. What you doing there, cornflake? Let's put a few sprinkles just to make it look cool. Oh no, that is amazing. I don't know what it means to only put a tiny bit of sprinkles. Sprinkles are my life. All right, let's dig into this baby. Oh wait, we didn't get any chocolate. Chocolate needs extra chocolate. Are you with me? All right, here we go. Whoa, yeah, get some chocolate over those strawberries. Oh my gosh, I know I'm putting too much chocolate, but I don't care. It looks like an ice cream sundae. Woo! Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that, just like the other one. Solid in the middle and chocolatey. Oh. Cocoa Pebbles is the way to go, let me tell you. This is so flavorful and deep and dark chocolate. Look at the chocolate doesn't even want to let go of me. Come on, chocolate, go into my mouth. Okay, needless to say, this is a super fun dessert. I hope you get to share with your family. Thank you, Glamour and Sugaries, for hanging out with me today. I know you won't regret it if you try this. Oh my gosh, these are so flavorful. I have to tell you, they have moved their way up on my list of desserts and they are at the top. Now, if you come over to my house, I'm definitely gonna make you one of these. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and make sure to share this video with your family and friends. They are going to adore you for this delicious thing that's super easy to make. You don't even have to make the ice cream. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!